I said, how low can you go? It would be light, ceiling made of glass, counter space, an ashtray for when grandma comes to visit me, space to think, green apples in a bowl. I could settle down, let it be something on my own, and I might have to get a real job, get the couch that I want. And I think I could be happy there. Read more, rise early on a Sunday morning, play my records, dance freely on the hardwood floors. I could settle down, have something on my own, and I might have to get a real job, to get the couch that I want.
You will be you love.
Yes, sir.
You love. Lucky baby. Lucky baby, you got no quick up.
Hey love gangs, good afternoon. So yeah, basically I don't even know where to start from, but the thing I came here to say is I actually skipped not posting last week because I was actually very sick. I have never been that level of sick all my life. In the morning it was a bit sunny, but right now it's a bit cloudy. If you notice, it's looking as if it's dark here, but that's because it wants to rain. It's the season, so I'm not even complaining. And lately I'm beginning to love rainy season so much. I don't know, maybe something it has to do with my feminine energy. Whatever rain wants to fall, I just want to rest, sleep, maybe reset, like just have a time to myself. So I'm beginning to love rainy season, unlike before, because I know I never liked rainy season before, but right now is one of my best seasons. So yeah, I'm not complaining. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I was actually very sick last week. I could not post. I'm very sorry, and I'm going to try to make that up to you guys. I don't know how yet, but obviously you will see how. I really know how, but I don't want to say it just in case I don't do it. But yeah, should I say it so that you people can hold me accountable? Yeah. Okay, the thing is that I'm going to try to post 2 videos next week, like posting on Wednesday and also posting the upper Monday, like I don't know how I'm going to do that, but yeah, we'll see how it works out. I was so sick to the point I was scared. I went to the hospital. I took more than 2 different types of malaria drugs, and I wasn't taking oral tablets. If you are into health, you know that when you take drugs orally, it might reduce how effective the drug might be because of first pass effect and all that. But I took those drugs IV and they were still not working for me. It was that terrible, but yeah, thank God I'm better now. I feel much better, although I'm still having cough and like my body still feel weak and all that, but at least I can walk around myself. I don't need to lie down in that hospital bed anymore. So it's actually something to be grateful for. So yeah, I just thought to explain to you guys and tell you guys that this is why I didn't post. Personally, I just hate it so much when I don't post it. To be honest, I don't used to have a great week when I don't post. I feel so disorganized, I feel so unproductive, and I feel like I did the worst thing. I broke the trust, I know this kind of thing. But yeah, I just learned not to crucify myself. You know, it's a situation beyond my control and I can't keep myself. Yeah, so that's what I basically came here to give you. I don't know if I should say it's a life update, but yeah. But I'm fine now, and I'm going to try as much as I can to, you know, not skip any posts today again. I don't even know if I'm actually in the right frame for this video. I don't know. Let me. Hey love gangs, good evening. So yeah, when I came back from the market in the evening and the afternoon, I spoke to you guys, but then I know I needed to cook, so I didn't even waste time. I was brief, I spoke to you guys, and then I went to cook my rice. I'm done eating, I freshen up. I basically came on here to show you what I got from the market. Guys, everything everything was so expensive, but yeah, at least I managed to get a couple of things that really made sense. I basically went to the market because I wanted to get materials for making sleepwear. I will not even lie, that was the basic reason why I went to the market. I actually paid someone to make sleepwears for me. I also told her she was going to be sourcing the material and all that, but then when she told me the price of the material, she told me that 1 yard of material was supposed to be 2,000 or 2,000 something. I can't even remember what she said, meaning that if she's actually to get the material, she would end up getting so much, and it might cost me, just the material load might cost me more than 10,000. That's 15,000 plus. So I was like, okay, since I'm coming to Enugu, let me just get the material here. So yeah, and it was actually cheaper. this is the first material I got. After getting this material, I started thinking if I really wanted to use it to make nightwear, because the material is so good. I don't know if you can see because this is night. This should be about, let me see what the time is. Ooh. This is to 10:21:44. That's 44 minutes past 9. This is the best material I got. I'm going to put what I want to make on the screen so that you guys can see it, and then I'm going to show you all of you when it's done. Then this is the second material. This is peach, this is pink, and this is blue. See, like when I want to get color and I don't get blue, something is just wrong. Because when it comes to color, one of the colors I really love is blue. If not, let it just be neutral. But then I was very skeptical about this nightwear. I didn't want something that was, to be honest, neutrals are not boring to me, but I didn't want something neutral because I had neutral nightwear already. I had a robe that is gray that the tailor already made. Then I have a brown robe, the one you will see me wear like literally all the time. Then so I wanted something that was colorful, like I wanted some color. So yeah, these are the 3 colors I bought. Yeah, I'm obviously going to make a top from this one, like a regular top I can be wearing out, then also make the nightwear. But then I'm here to conclude this material is too lush to be a nightwear. And then again, Nigeria weather, it's not that light like this one. These ones are light, and you know they are going to be comfy on the skin. This one is also going to be comfy, but for a nightwear, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's just it basically. And I really want to close out this video here. See, I'm in a very weird phase of my life right now, surviving that kind of illness I survived. It's not like I was supposed to die here, because I know I was obviously not going to die, but like coming back and wanting to get back into like flowing with content, you know. I don't know why I feel so uncomfortable doing content so much yet, but it's fine. I hope we did figure out everything. And bye, see you on the next vlog. Love you, gang. Bye.